everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for your support and for subscribing. So you guys, I hope you had a great holiday. Thank you so much for being here today with me. Today we're going to be starting the Clear Scraps DIY wood box. Now this wood box is a memory Dex card holder. It can be now, and it doesn't have to be. I mean, you could definitely create this box and hold other items that you want. You can just go ahead and you would leave out the little dowels here, and then these little guys here. But we're going to go ahead and put this together. I have not, I thought I would go ahead and paint this. I think I'm going to go ahead and paint it white for right now. I may go ahead and ink the edges a different color later. I'm not sure. But I thought I would go ahead and use this cute little DIY wood box, and it is a high back 6-inch box. Okay, and I'll put the link down below for you. And I decided to go ahead and make this themed friendship. So you know, because we always get memory Dex cards from our friends and everybody, and so I thought this would be a great way for me to display them and also have them available. So if I need some ideas or encouragement, I thought this would be super cute to use. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to begin, I went ahead and painted all of my panels white, and I painted all of the fronts and the back of these. Now, after we're done painting our panels, I went ahead and grabbed the back panel and placed some glue on the edges where you have your little nibs there. And you're going to place that on the larger, like rectangular panel, okay, just like I'm doing here. And you're just going to go ahead and hold that together for a few minutes. Now, you can use wood glue if you like. I went ahead and just used my regular uh, glue that I use. It is the Art Glitter Glue, and I just went ahead and used that. Next, I went ahead and placed some glue, like there were a few little areas that I needed to place glue in the corners, so I did that. And then I went ahead and did the edge of the side panel of the rectangular panel there, and then added the little sloped side panel to that area. Okay, just slide that right on in there, and you can tell it stays pretty good. So next, I went ahead and added some glue to the other side panel, the side and the bottom, and you're going to go ahead and just fit that together just like a puzzle. It fits so easily together, you guys. It comes together really nice. And now we're going to go ahead and do the front panel, and this is just a little rectangle that slides right in there, and you're just going to go ahead and glue that down. And then what I did is I went ahead and painted all of the edges of the box. Once I was done putting it all together, I just went ahead and grabbed a little paintbrush and painted all of the brown areas, which is the top of, you know, the sides of the box, the edges, and then all of the little brown areas. And you'll see here in a minute. Now here you'll see me painting these little pieces here. These are the little brown pieces. These are the ones that were like the little nibs on your pieces that are brown. And so I just went through and covered all those up with white paint as well. I think in total it took me about maybe 3 coats to paint all of them. But you can cover them however you want. Really, once you get this papered, you can't really see them. You don't really pay that much attention to them. So they look pretty. I mean, it looks pretty good. All right, so to cover our box, I went ahead and traced my sides on my pattern paper after I had put everything together. You can do yours before. I don't think it matters either way, but I went ahead and did mine after I glued everything together. And here I'm just going to go ahead and trace this. I went ahead and traced it once, but I needed it darker, and I had already traced and cut out one of the side panels. So I went ahead and just traced it again and then just fussy cut it out. And when you do this with pattern paper, remember you'll have to turn the other side over so that way it shows the correct side when for your right and your left side, whatever one you're doing. So I hope that makes sense, but that's what you'll have to do if you're doing a pattern paper. Okay, so to trace the other side, I went ahead and just flipped over the panel that I had just cut out and then went ahead and traced it on top of the pattern paper. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. And then once you cut it out, you'll have your panel for your right side and the left side of your DIY box. So that way you'll have the coverings for both boxes. The other, the inside, I did the same thing. I just used my panels before I stuck those down, and I just cut them a little shorter as needed. Then the front and the the back of your box, I just measured it with my ruler, and then as well as the inside or the bottom of the box. I just used my ruler and cut out my papers the size that I had got from measuring them. Okay, so here I am measuring the front panel, and I did the same thing for the back panel, the side panels, and the inside bottom panel. So, so that's what I did to get everything, you know, uh, correct measurement, and so I could go ahead and glue everything inside. I think everything looked so good. I really love how this box turned out, and I plan on getting some extras so that way I can make more. I think that these are so useful in so many different ways, and I'm excited to get some more of these. I think that these little DIY boxes would be great for holding recipe cards, not only your Memdex cards, but you could even use them for your ATC cards. Like I said, some recipes, maybe some little cards that you want to send out to your friends to hold, like 4x4 cards with envelopes. I just think that they would be great for anything. And here is the box all covered. I didn't do the back yet. I'm plan on doing that. Here is what it looks like with the Memory Dex card dowels inside of the box. And I went ahead and took them out because I wanted to decorate now. So to decorate, I went ahead and just used one of the sentiment strips and did the sides of each of the side panels. I put that on there, and you'll see here in a minute. I used some flowers from my stash, and so here is the other side of that sentiment. It is just a little saying, and I just think that it turned out so stinking cute. And then again, I just used some flowers from my stash to decorate, and I just think that this turned out so great. I really like how this turned out. I have to say, it's one of my favorite projects. So, so yeah, so I hope that you guys are enjoying this, and it's super, super easy. You guys can have this done in a day, a couple of hours. Super easy to do. Okay, so now we're going to start decorating, and I found this little uh, frame in my stash. I've had this forever, and I just hoarded it, kept hanging on to it forever. I want to say at least 5 years or maybe. So, and then I grabbed some flowers from my stash and I just saw these little roses and I thought that these were so cute. Matched perfect with the peach and white that is going on with this paper collection. And so I went ahead and added another rose down there on the bottom. And yeah, so I've had these little orange flowers and in my stash, and so I added some of those and then found this little well, that little butterfly is actually from the collection and I just fussy cut it out, stuck that on there, and then we are done. So cute. So I had these little wooden beads in my stash, and these are from the string beads that I got from Walmart back in, oh gosh, in November, I think. Anyway, I thought that they would be really cute as little legs for the bottom of this little DIY box. And so I went ahead and stuck those on there. And then I'm just adhering that little butterfly on. I did put some double back tape or foam tape on there. And I thought that would give it some lift that it needed. And I think it looked really cute. I really like how this came together so quickly and it looks really pretty. I am so happy with it. Okay, everybody, we are done with our little DIY box here, and this turned out so stinking cute. I absolutely love how this turned out. And on the sides here, it has a little message, and it says, "True friends are never apart." And then maybe in distance, but never in heart. And I know the little flower is kind of covering that up on your side, but I can definitely see it. So there we go. So I think that that is so cute. And then it says friends forever. And then I put a sweet friendship. And I did go ahead and I placed in the little dowels for the memory dex holder. And so I wanted to share that with you real quick. These are the acrylic memory dex cards that I did for Christmas last month, and I will put the link here at the end of the video so you can check out how I designed these and how I got these embossed on here. They are super easy, you guys. You do get these acrylic memory dex cards from, or dividers from, Clear Scraps, and I will put the link down below for you to check them out. They come just clear, plain, and then you can run them through your, with an embossing folder through your machine, and then they emboss on the acrylic. So I did a few of them, and I just love how these turned out. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and stick these in here for you. So there you go. They just pop in there just like that. Super easy peasy. And so there is a little holder for your memory dex cards. I also thought that this would be super cute as like if you did a memory dex card with some recipes on it or something, that would be super cute. And then you can just like put this in your kitchen and then, you know, you have your recipes ready. I just thought that would be super cute. Since I did not attach this down, okay, I wanted to lift this up and see if I can get this out of here. So I did want to lift this out because, so I wanted to give you another idea on what to use this little box for. And I thought it was a super cute idea. So let me go ahead and take these out of here. These just pop right out. Okay. I thought it would be super cute as a little card holder. So, you know, we all love sending cards to our crafty friends or family members. And you can make either big, you can make any size you want. I just thought 4x4 was super cute and they fit really nice inside of this little holder. And I thought, you know, if you kept little birthday cards with little envelopes inside here, ready to go for like, you could put birthdays, anniversary, wedding, Easter, Christmas, whatever, and then decorate your box according to your occasion.
And I thought that would be super cute, right? So I made this little box that has friendship on it. And so all my little cards have friendship meanings. And so this one says, a true friend is the greatest of all blessings. And then on the inside, I could put my little message. This one is another little card that I could put a little message on. It says, thinking of you on your special day. And then it just lifts up like this. And then thinking of you. And that one's just a little tiny card. So I just thought that this would be another really good idea to use these DIY boxes, as well as using it for your memory decks cards or recipes or whatever whatever you would like. So that is my little that's my project for the start of January 2024, y'all. So I hope that you like this little project. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. I have all of the links down below to everything that I used, and except for the paper. The paper is from my stash. But yeah, I have all of the links for you down below and after this video. Thank you guys again. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please head over to Clear Scraps and check out their shop. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell for future notifications on all upcoming videos, tutorials, YouTube hops, and my live shows, 4:30 on Fridays Central Time.